Drews, aka the AUDIOZONE, man. You can see something is being signed and sealed and delivered. Here goes the crazy news, man. With the shortage that's been going on with COVID, we've been waiting for these for close to almost a year, and that's how long it's taken to get merchandise in, man. It's been kind of crazy. This was actually stuck in a FedEx freight line for almost a week here in Dallas before it even got over here right now. But you know what? The most important thing is that they are here. They're here from Lexani. They're gonna be custom 24 inches with the tires. They're gonna be going on a build that we have for a customer named Chris. You're gonna be watching this video if we get this car situated. He wants me to sign something. I'm not signing nothing. What you want me to sign?
You not sign nothing?
I don't want to sign nothing. Okay. But we ain't taking that, man. No. Come on, that's fine. Come on. Here. Hold on. Take the risk. Let me leave it. Nah, man. This is my problem.
Check it out, man.
What do you think, Real?
As long as there ain't no scratches on it, it's good.
Missing. I think we're good. I mean, y'all got on video, so y'all saw that this is the way the package came in. He was, what's your name? Saul Rios is the one that delivered it here today. So the damages belong to Saul.
No, senor.
No, senor.
What you mean, no?
Sign your print, you left that.
I don't want to print. I don't want you to know that I signed for this, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, this ain't right, man. But you know what?
You gonna sign for
the most
this.
important thing is we got the rims here.
Yeah.
And now we get this customer signed, sealed, delivered, man. I'm gonna show you guys the car we're gonna be installing this on today. So you can see it before and after. You can put it right there. You'll be able to see it before and after of the build. What we have to do to get this guy.
He said, now he gonna run you over.
Situated. So I'm kind of proud of that. We're gonna get the car, bring it to the back, and start getting this going so y'all can see this car making a transformation. You'll be surprised how much wheels can actually change the car. So let's go talk to the customer.
We gotta do an unboxing though.
We're gonna have
That's the best part of the video.
Well, look, my partner's here. Real.
So y'all know,
you see the coaching. Y'all talk about live coaching. This is live. He's here today coaching me, telling me, bro, you need to unbox them. So you see what I'm saying? So it's the thing that these guys know that you have to learn. Because me, I'll put the box, take them down and get them done. But he want me to unbox it. We'll take it apart and show y'all.
Exactly.
What these wheels look like. So
that's the best part. Opening up the Christmas gift on Christmas.
Well, it's not Christmas. You know,
hey, it's Christmas for that person if they've been waiting a year.
He's been waiting almost a year for these bad boys. This is called a Decatur.
A Decatur wheel?
It's a Lexani. It's their author's brand. It's called Decatur.
Oh, yeah, that's the most common wheel. That's their best seller right now.
This is the lip.
Yeah, it got the lip on it.
It's a 24-inch 5-lug for the charger. I'm gonna go get this mounted and situated, man. I know that, in fact, we're gonna go talk to the customer real quick. I know you can.
Oh, he in there?
That's the guy, Chris, up front.
Let's go. Let's see what he got to say.
That's his time.
Do he want to see?
I don't know if you want to see, but we're about to find out. Chris, I got a question for you, sir. You mind coming back here a minute? Where's the little thing there? The what thing, Bobby?
What's up with it? You doing all right?
Right here.
Oh, man. And he a truck driver?
He a truck driver.
Come on back here, man. Mr. Truck Driver.
I'm going to show you some of your stuff, see what exactly what's going on. Tires in here. Good. You ready for Christmas? Chris, Chris, I'm not gonna let that. I'm not gonna let you. Oh, no, I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm giving you a little bit of.
He said he see.
I'll give him a little bit. I'll give him down vision so he knows I'm not gonna drop him. I'm gonna go drop him on real quick. Tires are there now delivered, so we're good to go. I need to get the car. I want to do a test before. Yeah, boy, lift it. You know what?
I know.
I was just telling him.
Man, wheels.
And it's been.
Wheels been crazy, bro. Like I work in the wheel business, and bro, the wheel stuff right now is just so
crazy. Let's go even farther than that. My wheels were given to me last year, and they gave them to me for the last Demonology event. And I have to take them back because they made it a miracle on Broadway just to have the rims, and I haven't been able to get them done. It's been a crazy market, but you know what? It's over today. Today he's gonna get to smile. He's gonna get to go roll in his car, and I know it could be a great feeling. I'm about to get this all, get the tires that just got in, mounted and everything for him. Get this bad boy situated for the young man, and get him out the door with his wheels.
Let's go show you.
Let's go show you his car.
Second set.
Yeah. He wanted the race originally. They've been back ordered, so we ended up going to Decatur, and they ended up. They cost a little bit more, but it's all right.
I mean, but these look good. Like them, they top right now. Them they top. Yeah, they got the lip.
That's what I like the most.
You can confuse them. You know, cause you know we do. 3-piece wheels do come like that, but there we go.
So we'll talk about what's the difference between a 3-piece wheel. In fact, I'm gonna let the wheel man himself, Mr. REELTOREAL, explain to you what is the difference between a fabricated wheel and a 3-piece wheel. Real, tell us on the AUDIOZONE channel.
Okay, so y'all know, man, since I've been doing this 3-piece wheel game stuff. Now, the difference between the 3-piece wheel and the, what's so crazy is, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man, I always think the 1-piece wheel are more stronger, but since this one has a lip, it's not gonna be as strong.
Face right.
Yeah, because it can easily break because of the lip. But if these came out to the edges, they'll be a lot stronger than the 3-piece wheel. And the reason I say that is because you won't be able to bend the lip. As you know, it'll have a lot of strengthening going up to it.
It won't bend it.
But the 3-piece lip is 3 different parts. So it's the front lip, the inner lip, and it's the face. That's what makes it a 3-piece. So you have to put the front 2 lips together just to put the face on. And that's what makes it a 3-piece. And then if you ever want to change your wheels, only thing you have to do is just get another face cut and just put it on your same barrels. So that's why a lot of people going with the 3-piece wheels versus the 1-piece wheels now.
Well, I mean,
they know
let's fix this. Only people with REELTOREAL's money can do with 3-piece wheels.
No, people pay for what they want.
Yeah,
and I always say that. Because a person be like, oh man, I can't afford this, I can't afford that. But then you'll have these wheels on the Scat Pack. So how you can't afford it if you got a Scat Pack?
Yeah.
Exactly. Hey, for real.
But
because
you know what?
You got to think about it. Sometimes certain companies will work with people. They'll say, hey, you bring me in a deposit, they'll start you on the wheels and bring me in. You can just pay off the wheels as you go. That don't mean you got to finance through no company, nobody, nothing like that. So, you know, it's a lot of
like when I got mine done, I did the same thing. I gave him a deposit, and then as he progressed, I just kept on dropping off money, and then I got my
so you come through AUDIOZONE. Hey, you break them off half, and you come in and pay the rest.
REELTOREAL, the drip master right there himself.
No, I ain't got no nothing
chilling, but he got that picture with him.
Nah, y'all, they know I'm on a workout diet right now, so.
Yeah,
as soon as I get done doing what I gotta do, I gotta go straight to the gym.
So just so y'all know, he blames me for this workout now, y'all, because you don't think I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner like we're supposed to.
Exactly. He made me. This made me.
This man only
This
made me. So I said we have to work on this. This is a sign of a married man. A man who's
married,
healthy.
but hey, man, I ain't expect to get all this and that.
But you know
that
what?
come from him trying to feed me every day or make sure that we get something to eat every day.
Like we are now.
While we're at work, I was like, no, I gotta cut it off. And now you got Pops coming through in his truck.
I'm glad, Pops, you came at the right time. Load this up and drop it off for me.
Oh, well, yeah.
That came out perfect, y'all. But you know what? Stay tuned if we get this car done. I'm gonna go take a video of the car before. I'm gonna take a video of the car after. Stay tuned.
Exactly.
Guys, this is the car right here that we're looking at doing the wheels at right now. The 392 right here. You can definitely see like a beautiful car. We're about to mod this car and put these wheels on. So I'm giving y'all a walk around so you can see exactly what these look like and what we're gonna look like when we get done on this bad boy, y'all. But this is a walk around for y'all. And now we're gonna see what it looks like when it's done. And the Blue Beauty is here, y'all. The Blue Beauty is here. Take a look at that, y'all. 24-inch on the charge. I know Chris is ecstatically happy, but that's not even the point. The car looks amazing, y'all. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I love the lip on the car more than I like a flat rim. I've always liked that. That's why I've always got my rim with lips. I can think they look a lot more. Yeah, but she is looking good. Chris, she is ready to go sign, seal, deliver, man. She is on her way. Now you just need some armor on that tire.
Yeah, I got some.
You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it, man. The car looks, it's a whole different car right now. That is not looking the same car you drove.
Nah, everybody at the shop like, they took pictures of them while I was
The car looks amazing. That I can promise you, the car looks damn amazing, man. Congratulations on your purchase. You killed it. Thank you for letting you serve, even though it's been hell in this process we've been dealing with on getting this car done, man. But she's actually signed, still delivered. We ran into another hiccup on the 6 pistons, but we got something to resolve that, so. You'll be good to go, y'all. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for the support, man. Y'all be good and God bless.